I have to go to Mexico and party.
Mm-hmm.
That's something which I'm really looking forward to.
Mm-hmm.
I have to sign a film in lead.
Mm-hmm.
That's again the second thing which I want to.
Okay.
And third bucket list would be to again start doing martial arts. I can get easily pissed off if somebody is just being rude or mean. I don't like such people. I hate mean or rude people. Amitabh Bachchan, I think there's no better style icon than him. And I can bend my finger like this. Okay, hi guys, this is Abhishek Banerjee and this is my rapid fire and I'm very nervous.
Starting up, a useless talent that you have.
Useless talent. Useless talent क्या होता है यार? जुगाड़.
जुगाड़.
मैं कहीं से भी कुछ भी जुगाड़ करता हूँ. But that's not useless.
वो तो बड़ी काम की चीज है यार.
हाँ, what is my useless talent यार?
Maybe touch your nose with your tongue.
No, I can't do that. वो मैं नहीं कर सकता. I'm
Guys.
incapable of doing that. Oh yeah, I can bend my finger like this.
एक मिनट हड्डी है.
है बिल्कुल है. This basically shows that I'm very flexible.
Yeah.
Mentally.
Wow.
So,
Okay.
Yeah.
One food item that you can eat every day.
Aloo posto.
Your favorite film.
Agnipath.
One thing which can easily piss you off.
Too much of piss me off easily.
जैसे मुझसे अगर कोई झूठ बोले तो मैं बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा हो जाऊँ.
नहीं झूठ वूठ का ठीक है वो तो सब बोलते हैं. I think I can get easily pissed off if somebody is just being rude or mean. I don't like such people. I hate mean or rude people.
दूर रहो उनसे. Your favorite childhood memory.
Going to Digha with my mom and dad. Digha is a small beach town in
Okay.
West Bengal.
Okay. A style icon that you look up to या फिर पहले initially बहुत look up to किया
Yeah,
होगा.
Amitabh Bachchan. I think there's no better style icon than him.
Perfect. Your favorite trip till now.
It's always Himachal Pradesh. मैं पूरी दुनिया घूम चुका हूँ पर जब भी मैं हिमाचल प्रदेश जाता हूँ I think the joy I get from that state मुझे कहीं से नहीं.
You're a mountain person.
I'm a huge mountain person and I'm only a Himachal Pradesh mountain person. ऐसा भी नहीं कि मुझे स्कॉटलैंड की वादियों में मजा आता है.
Okay.
मुझे हिमाचल की वादियों में ही मजा आता है.
मेरे
पता नहीं
देश की
क्या है
धरती.
ऐसा.
Maybe spirituality.
Maybe
वो
spirituality, maybe people. I don't
Yeah.
know. It's just too good here. I think we are very lucky to have that entire region to us. Very lucky. And all you youngsters, छोड़ो ये बाली, थाईलैंड जहाँ जहाँ जाते हो आप लोग और हिमाचल जाओ यार मजा आएगा.
मेरे देश की धरती guys. Your go to dance move.
ओह
होता होगा.
ये वाला
गणपति डांस वाला.
ये जो हमारे हर सड़क पे हर लौंडा डांस करता है वो.
Your dream collaboration.
Well, I've just finished one dream collaboration with
Okay.
Mr. Bachchan. My next dream collaboration, I hope, will be with Shah Rukh Khan.
A song that you're humming these days.
कटी रात मैंने
I swear I had an interview with a foreigner who
Yeah.
was a part of Big Boss Marathi this season.
Okay.
And I asked her what reel would you want to make with me, and she said this song. हम अभी reel बना के आए उनके
Wow,
साथ.
wow.
The last show that you binge watched.
Presumed Innocent.
Okay. Your favorite show.
Game of Thrones.
The coolest thing you've ever done.
Shoplifted.
क्या चुराया? क्या था? I want to know.
I think एक शर्ट चुराई थी और जीन्स चुराया था. हाँ.
Successfully.
हाँ
किसी को
हाँ
शक नहीं
किसी को
आया.
पता नहीं चला.
बस इंटरव्यू के बाद मैं टिप्स ले रही हूँ.
Yeah, it's very easy actually.
One favorite Bollywood married couple.
Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma.
Absolutely. High five on that one.
Yeah.
A pinch me moment for you.
Oh, when Stree crossed 500 CR, I mean, it is a pinch. Even now, I can't believe it. Yeah.
One mummy के हाथ का dish that you love.
Shorshe Mach.
What is that?
It's a mustard fish. It's
Okay.
Bengali fish,
Okay.
which is prepared with mustard paste.
अच्छा.
It's the best fish curry available in India.
Oh, curry है.
हाँ, मतलब एक dry curry सी होती है, बड़ी कमाल सी होती है.
Okay.
You should try it. Order it from a Bengali restaurant and try it.
Sure. How
You can just see Shorshe Mach.
Shorshe Mach.
Yeah, mustard fish, something
Perfect.
like that. Yeah.
We are doing that.
Yeah.
Your ultimate inspiration apart from Amitabh Bachchan.
Roger Federer.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I think why? Because I don't know why I call him my inspiration because I have nothing to do with tennis.
Uh-huh.
But the kind of humility that man has and the kind of champion he is, I think that makes him the GOAT. You
Okay.
know? And yeah, I mean, I take a lot of inspiration from sports people. So Saurav Ganguly is one of them. I'm a huge fan of Dada is because he was the captain, then he fell. Like उनकी एक बहुत
जी.
बड़ी fall आई.
जी.
बस fall के बाद वापस हुआ. And you know, he came back and he hit centuries and he went with a bang. So you know, I really am a huge fan of sports people and people who can, you know, come back.
अगर आप एक एक्टर नहीं होते तो क्या होते?
Chef.
हाँ,
Yeah,
सच्ची you cook?
I love cooking.
रोटी वगैरह गोल बनती है?
सब गोल चौकोर जो बनानी है.
मतलब ग्रीन
मैं
फ्लैग
मतलब-
नहीं ग्रीन फॉरेस्ट है गाइस यहाँ पे. Do you have any tattoos?
No, I don't.
No tattoos.
बड़ा डर लगता है मुझे टैटू वैटू कराने में.
अगर कभी करवाओगे तो क्या करवाओगे?
अगर मैं कभी कराऊंगा तो it has to be something to do with Shiva.
Okay. If you were a product, what would your tagline be?
Oh, sustainable.
Absolutely, the stunner था ये. 3 things that top your bucket list right now.
Which I have to do.
Yeah.
Okay. I have to go to Mexico and party.
Mm-hmm.
That's something which I'm really looking forward to.
Mm-hmm.
I have to sign a film in lead.
Mm-hmm.
That's again the second thing which I want to.
Okay.
And third bucket list would be to again start doing martial arts.
Oh,
That is one thing again I'm doing.
wonderful. The last time you cried.
Oh, 2 दिन पहले यार. 2 दिन पहले रोया मैं.
खुशी के आंसू?
नहीं, रॉबर्ट डिनीरो की परफॉर्मेंस देख रहा था मैं इंटर्न में. And I was just like, एक कोई सीन आया and I saw
हाँ.
डिनीरो साहब and I'm like, ये इतनी ऑनेस्टी के साथ कैसे परफॉर्म
हाय.
कर रहे हैं. And when I see honesty, it brings me tears. It brings tears. I don't know, क्योंकि बहुत मुश्किल से मिलती है.
ये बड़ा AWWW moment हो गया. One thing which can bring a smile on your face.
Compliment. Yeah, I think.
I think easy.
Yeah.
Compliment.
Anybody compliments me, I'm always smiling. I don't know how to react to that. So I can smile.
Perfect. And he has done that. बस ऐसे ये nervous वगैरह कुछ नहीं होते, ये सिर्फ कहने के लिए होते हैं, guys. On that note, okay, before I sign off, I'm
Yeah.
remembering this. Yesterday I met Apar and we spoke about Berlin आ रही है, तो we spoke about Stree का third franchise की हम बात कर रहे थे. But before that he told me भेड़िया आएगी and there's some vampire film also that is coming. Are you aware about it?
Yeah, of course. थामा. उसमें आयुष्मान है. I think सब लोग बात कर
देखने
ही रहे
मिलेगा
हैं
आप
उसका. हाँ,
सबको
बिल्कुल
वापस
बिल्कुल.
एक
अब
साथ.
मैं रहूंगा नहीं रहूंगा वो तो गाइस अभी वो देखते हैं, डिपेंड करता है.
भीख मांगते हैं आपकी, प्लीज रखिए.
तो
Because I think Abhishek अभी ऐसे हुआ है ना कि you have become that audience puller.
yeah, so sweet. Okay.
Touch wood for that.
Touch wood.
On this note, signing off, this is Nikita Bhagwan with cameraman Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.